Here we have the ENCO 13-inch by 40-inch geared head bench lathe. It's 2 horsepower, 230 volt. It is in unused condition. It looks very nice. It still has the Cosmoline protectant on it with the paper wrap. Everything on here works. We briefly checked out some of the functions. We're going to power it up for you just to show you that it does operate. Okay, you hit that button, green button comes on. Your e-stop operates, and this is for your inching. I'll come over here, and there's your forward and reverse. There's your threading. Not going to let it go too far, but okay. Move this over to this position here. See the cross feed. The e-stop. So we tested, like I said, we tested most of the functions on here. Everything appears to operate fine. Also includes your backsplash and your drip pan, which is right here. Just walk around the machine. There's a little paint chip right off the corner here. That's about it. Comes with a toolbox, your tools, all your handles. There's a backing plate. Okay, and then you got a 4-jaw chuck, and then your 3-jaw chuck that's already mounted on the machine. Also include your certification of inspection and your user's guide and parts manual.